Hello guys, welcome to my online prep. I know you guys are a lot tensed about your upcoming exam, and who wouldn't be with such a hectic job, right? But don't worry, we are there to help you out. We'll be giving you a foolproof plan for both the freshers as well as those students who have previously attempted this exam but couldn't pass. In this video, we'll be discussing the syllabus of JAIIB, criteria and results for passing the exams, and last but not least, the 1 month study plan for exam. That will help you a lot, let me tell you. Let's start. Let us understand the syllabus first, because that's very important, especially for freshers. So there are 3 subjects for which you have to prepare: Principles and Practices of Banking, PPB, Accounting and Finance for Bankers, AFB, and Legal and Regulatory Aspects of Banking, LRB. First, PPB has been divided in 5 modules, namely A, B, C, D and E, in which there are 49 chapters. AFB has been divided into 4 modules, A, B, C and D, consisting of 27 chapters. Similarly, LRB has been divided into 4 modules, namely A, B, C and D, comprising of 67 chapters in total. The question paper for each subject will contain approximately 120 objective type multiple choice questions, carrying 100 marks in total. Most of the questions would be of half marks. So 70 questions which comes is of half marks, and others would be of 1 marks, roughly 35 questions, and rest are of 2 marks each, roughly 15 questions. The passing criteria for any exam states that the minimum marks you are required to score to pass in any of the subject is 50 out of 100, or the other criteria declares that you can pass this exam with at least a score of 45 marks in any subject with an aggregate total of 150 out of 300 in all the subjects in a single attempt. Now, before starting up with your preparation, it is always advisable for a student to analyze the past year exam papers. Analyzing this will give you a better idea about how you should approach a particular subject. Also, by doing this, you will get to know your weak areas and where you need to invest more of your time than any other subject, or the weak areas consisting of modules where you need to invest more time in a particular module rather than the other modules, right? So our first and foremost recommendation would be this: you can access the past year question papers on myonlineprep.com as well as on our mobile app. So download our mobile app from the Play Store. Although all the chapters from your syllabus are very important for your exam, but there are certain modules from particular subjects from which more questions are asked than the other modules. Let's discuss the first subject, PPB. 2 most important modules of this subject are Module A and B. More than 60% of the questions are asked from these modules. Hence, it is highly recommended that you practice a lot of questions from these modules. Next, AFB, the second paper of JAIIB, which is considered the most difficult paper by non-commerce background students. However, it can easily be cracked if you have the right approach. Under this subject, Module A, Business Mathematics, is one of the most important modules because 30 to 35% questions are asked from this module, and mostly they are numerical type questions. So if you have a command over this portion of the syllabus, major part of your job is done. Also, Module B and C of this subject has a weightage of 40 to 45%, containing both numerical as well as non-numerical type questions. So you should concentrate on these modules also. And last but not least, LRB, in which questions are mostly asked from the various acts related to banking sector, such as RBI Act, Banking Regulation Act, Companies Act, Partnership Act, etc. Under this subject, Module B is the most important from exam point of view, because 30 to 35% questions are asked from this part of the subject. Now, we would recommend you to study from the e-book study material because one, let's face it, it's very convenient than carrying a book around. And the other one would be that you can utilize your idle time while traveling to and fro your office, or when there is a spare time while you are at your office, because a mobile is very handy. I know easier said than done that take out spare time from your office time, but let me tell you, it's high time. Only 30 days is left, and that's enough motivation to kickstart your preparation. You can easily get access to the study material which is available on myonlineprep.com and also on our mobile app. Also, you can access the mock tests, both chapter wise and full length mock tests, because that will not only give you an idea of how to approach the questions, but also it will instill in you a confidence that you are on the right track regarding your preparation for the exam. These mock tests are also readily available on myonlineprep.com as well as on our mobile app. Next, we have the 1 month study plan for you. We have divided the whole study plan of 30 days into 3 parts. 10 days dedicated to each subject. The first 10 days belongs to LRB, next 10 days to AFB, and the last 10 days to PPB. Now, why this arrangement? Because PPB is your first exam, so that subject will remain fresh if you do it just before exam. And also, there is a 21-day gap between your first exam and your last exam, so you have ample time for revision for the other subjects. Now, during your first 10 days, on day 1, you will be doing chapter 1, 2 and 3 from your module. Legal framework of regulation of banks, control over organization of banks, and regulation of banking business. So the right hand side are the chapter names. Alright. Also, attempt the question sets from these chapters too on the same day. On day 2, do chapter 4 to 6 from module A and B. Similarly, continue to day 3. Do the chapters mentioned along with the questions. Similarly, we'll move like this to day 4, 5 and 6. And till day 7, we'll be completing the whole book. Next 3 days would be revision. After revision, just retake those mock tests and analyze where you are going wrong or what are your weak areas which you need to revise more just before exam. Similarly, next 10 days is dedicated to AFB. But here, don't start with module A. Start with module B, consisting of chapters 6 to 8 along with the questions. The next day, chapter 9 to 12 from the same module. Then move on to module 6, and like that you complete all the modules except A till day 15. Remember, I told you module A's weightage is more than the other modules for your exam. So it's better if you do it later on so that it stays fresh before revision. So you have 2 days for module A, day 16 and day 17. Then, exactly like the first subject, do 3-day revision for this subject also. Also, there is a 14-day gap between this exam and your first exam. So you have enough time for revision also. That revision part you can decide on your own based on your own analysis of your weak areas from this subject. And last but not least, the last 10 days belongs to PPB, which is just before exam. Same pattern for study plan. just like the other subjects. Do this thoroughly because this is just before exams. Here you can start with regularly like module A, then move on to module B, then C, D and E till day 27. So that here also you have 3 days for revision and retaking the mock tests so that you analyze better. Also, if you want, you can borrow some days from your other subjects too, depending on your own requirements, and dedicate to this subject because you have time before the other papers, exams. You have enough time. So you can dedicate the extra time which you are borrowing from other subjects to this subject because this is just before exam. So that's that. I hope this helped. The link for the study plan is given in the description below, so you can download from there. Also, please download our mobile app from your Play Store for more such assistance. All the best, guys. Bye.